Hi guys, this is Upasna all the way from New Zealand. So today I'm going to share you how I made a pumpkin okra dish, and this is a very similar dish that we have every day in our Bengali families. So in Bengali we call it kumro dharosh shed torkari. Yeah. So this is a very easy one, okay, and I love okra, okay, from my childhood. So I tried it with some kumro and it is really yummy. So come with me and let me show you how I made this, and please like and subscribe. And first we are going to boil this pumpkin for 15 minutes with some water. Okay, so I'm going to microwave the pumpkin. Let's give it 15 minutes. So let's see what are the ingredients we have over here. So we have taken some okra, so we call it dharosh in Bengali. We have taken pumpkin. Now I tell you why I have boiled the pumpkin for 15 minutes, so that it becomes easy for me to chop the pumpkin. Okay, so the pumpkin you can see that it's half boiled already. So next you can see that we have taken bay leaf, we have taken onions, we have taken this one we called as Bengali pachforon, and this one is dried chili. Okay, and now let's check out what are the ingredients we have to put in. So that's turmeric, that's red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. We have added some sugar to it and some ginger garlic paste. And this is we are going to cook this with mustard oil and some salt. So I'm now going to pour some mustard oil and heat it on high flame. Now we are going to add the okra to the oil and fry it on high heat. Now you can see we have fried the okras, the dharosh that we call in Bengali. So now I'm going to put this aside in a bowl. My crabs are ready. It's looking so yummy, guys. So this is one of my favorite vegetable. So now on the same pan we are going to take some more mustard oil. Okay. The pan is already it's hot, so I think the oil also, so we just it needs to wait 2 minutes, and then we are going to give this bay leaf. Okay, we are going to add the pachforon, the dried red chilies to it. So you need to stir all these for 2 minutes. Okay, and now after 2 minutes I'm going to pour the pumpkin to the hot oil, and we need to fry it. So you need to stir this pumpkin for 5 minutes. So I'm just frying this for 5 minutes because I've already boiled the pumpkin. So now you can see we have fried it. So now I'm going to add the onions to it. Now we just need to stir the onions with the pumpkin. Now that you can see that the onions are little fried, okay, we are going to add all the spices to it. I'm adding cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric, so we add a little bit of sugar to it. Okay, not much, but a little bit. The coriander powder and the ginger garlic paste. After 5 minutes of stirring it, okay, we have mixed up all the spices. Now I'm going to add the okra to it. Okay. At the end, we are going to add some salt. You add it as per your taste. And stir this. So you need to stir it for 5 to 10 minutes, okay? And you can see that it's all cooked. My bhindis are cooked, my pumpkin kumro is cooked, okay? So this, like I like it a little bit mushy. So you can have it just with rice. You don't need any dal, with it. So you can see it's all cooked. Now we need to add some water, not much. You can see I've just added half glass of water to it, just to bring in some moisture.